Soaring above Maui with Air Maui was an unforgettable experience. From the moment we lifted off, the views were breathtaking. Towering sea cliffs, lush rainforests, and hidden waterfalls you can only see by air. We cruised over the coast of the city of Kahului on our initial leg, skimmed along the coastline, and then headed for an up-close tour of Molokai. The pilot was safe, knowledgeable, and made the whole flight fun and informative. If you're visiting Maui, this is hands down one of the best ways to see the island. Air Maui brought the magic of the island to life, from a view most only dream of.